Hi, this is Mark at Ding Dong's Garden. This is Cinerea Willow. Cinerea has a beautiful catkin in the late winter or early spring. It's silvery. Cinerea is also a very pretty tree in the summer. So when we come out and we talk about willow, we try to talk about what its special characteristic is, perhaps in the winter. In this case, it's going to be a catkin. But other times we talk about the color of the curls or the shapes of the leaves. But in this case, what we're interested in is a catkin, but it's always important to come out and talk about what it looks like for the rest of the year. And I think this is an attractive leaf and branch, and in the wind, it's quite beautiful in a hedge in the summer. So if you are primarily interested in it for a catkin, it would make a great tree for the rest of the year. If we come down here and look at the cinerea at the base, you can see here, this is a planting we did, probably 2 years ago, and you can see where our cuts are. This is the first year cut, this is the second year cut, and we do that with all of our willows. We cut them back to the ground so we get that first year growth, which will show the special characteristics for that willow. And I'll show you something here. This is one we planted last year, and it's not growing that much. And the reason is it is overshadowed by these enormous willows to the left. I think it's coyote willow, but it's very aggressive and it grows a lot. So what ends up happening is it overshadows new plantings like this. So I think next year for the big willow next to this and maybe some others, we're going to go ahead and prune them in the early spring to give adjacent varieties an opportunity to get a little taller and get more sun. But here you can see how easy it is to plant willow. You just take a stick and we use ground cloth to prevent weeds in the first few years, and then we'll remove it after that. But we just put it in the ground, and it's 100% for willows most of the time. 95 to 100. Nothing's 100%, but 95, 100% of the time when we stick a cutting in the ground, a willow cutting in the ground, it will take root and leaf out. This is Cinerea Willow, wonderful early spring catkin, and it's a very attractive tree in the summer when there's foliage on it and when the wind is blowing.